So GV Trades here. Just want to go over the trades that I took last Friday, so yesterday. So basically, going into the day, I did have this as a target, the previous daily high, previous daily low, and then I think for the 4 hour we got nothing actually. 1 hour we had, not sure if I had something here, I forgot. I don't think so. So I guess basically, pretty sure I had something, just don't remember when. But yeah, we had this London lows and Asia lows. Let me check. I think there's one more. I don't remember. Oh yeah, we also had this 4 hour gap as well that I was targeting. And then this one too, if it keeps going down. But anyways, 9:30 open. Let's see. Alright, let's go to the 50 minutes first. Let's go to the 9:30 area. I had this 50-minute gap right here. So let's see. So basically, what I wanted to see at market open like around 9:30, like right here, is for us to sweep or even tap into this 50-minute gap and then drop down. Like I would have entered off of that candle, to be honest with you. That would have been a nice entry to target all these liquidity here. That would have been a quick 1-to-1, I believe, if we somehow did that, but we never did it. Fortunately, could have been like that. We did tap into it, but no, didn't do that. And then we kept dumping and dumping without any significant retracements. That's why I never entered off of these small retracements here. I just didn't have a safe entry at this point, but the majority of liquidities were correct. Let's see here. I'm not sure if I had a 4 hour gap. 1 hour. Oh yeah, we also had this 1 hour gap. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, forget about it. But anyways, that was my main target for the days. Was the lows, session lows. Then after that, oh wait, I think we had a 15-minute gap that I put out. I think that was during the live trading session. So that was the final drawn liquidity for me. But then at this point I was just waiting for a retracement. Basically we made another 15-minute gap right about here. Okay. But for me, I was looking for longs now since we took out the session lows and even the 50-minute gap. So this one I was waiting for a CISD. I believe I entered somewhere here. Is this one? Right here. So we get rid of these lines. Now it's targeting the unfilled 15-minute gap. Let's see here. Which was right here. The first unfilled 15-minute gap, that's how I was targeting in the first place. Put my stop loss right about here. So you can see, I got break even on this trade. I was planning to go break even right here, but then it started chopping. So I was like, you know what, I might as well go break even. And after that, I know it's already like past 11 o'clock, but I saw one of the nicest retracements that could indicate we would be going lower. So for this one, I targeted previous daily low. But the thing is, I broke my rule of, trading past 11 o'clock, which is part of my rules. But I did see this nice retracement here. We rejected off of this 50-minute gap. And I believe I entered off of here, of this close. My stop loss was definitely pretty high, 130. But at the same time, I was targeting previous daily low. It was like 1.5 RR. And then I believe ES took previous daily low in this candle right here at 1 o'clock. So I did trail my stop loss for a 101. So that's what I got there. $500 win for the day. But yeah, that's pretty much my 2 trades that I took, 1 break even and 1 win. But like I said, I just didn't like this trade due to the fact that I traded after 11. Because majority of the time it's going to chop after 11. But we actually kept some moves. Made some moves to the downside actually. Anyways, that's it. Have a nice day. I'll see you on Monday. Peace.